mixing on whatever mix. I don't play no games. I ain't about to play no games. I ain't about to play no games. Play no games. Don't play no games. I ain't about to play no games. Seatbelt buckled up, sliding in the traffic. Careful how you move when you ride with a package.
Alright, y'all. So today, y'all see we got the POV going on today. I finally got the setup to work where you're not staring at the freaking roof. So this is my first legit official POV video. But as y'all know, we about to in the title, this intro to the intro, we about to be speed testing my FBO Camaro. So right now, it's on some trash street tires, but we about to just get all the times, cause soon I didn't want to get all the times before we get better tires and everything. So we got the draggy on deck. We probably about to do a few 0 to 60s, and then we go do, I think, like 2 quarter-mile times. We could do a couple 40 rows. So y'all know, just tag along for the ride. We about to see how fast the car is today. All right, y'all. I'm about to get straight to it. Dog, these videos be so sketchy, bro. I be trying not to lose my GoPro on the outside of the car. I hate putting this thing on the outside of the car. I be looking the whole time. I hate when I get traffic, man. So we might as well get a 40 in right now. Look at this guy. And look at this guy. Really? I know he hear me coming. Look, am I tripping, y'all? I know this dude hear me coming. Let me find me a different street, man. Let me see. I'm about to go to the freeway and get some 40 rows, cause this guy right here. Alright, the freaking GoPro died on me last time. If only y'all knew how difficult it is to ride with this GoPro on your face. So I might just try and get the 0 to 60, but it's not gonna hook up at all. I'm gonna just let y'all see though. It ain't gonna be hooking up at all. So I ain't never did one of these, and we about to do one right here. No traction whatsoever. I'm thinking we getting close to 60. We still at 40 because we spinning. We just spinning. So I'm like, all right, we go get it at one of these. It was spinning like a madman back there. Let's get a good 40. We got no spin action right there. That was actually pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. It feel like we was zooming off the second gear roll. That was off the second gear roll. You know, you gotta slap it back in auto because the power band starts at 45. So I want to get the RPMs up to 45. Like that's where my peak torque is. So you know, I wanted to get it right there so we can get the pool started right there. So that's where all my horsepower is. So yeah. That was pretty crazy right there. Probably make our way to the freeway though. I can't go down. I can't go right. That's a school zone over there. Mess around, lose my whole car. I was eager to do a little pull right here, but I gotta remember I need braking distance. Can't be just doing that junk everywhere. Perfect. Perfect. But you probably get another 40 in right here though. Probably get to 60 on the freeway. think it's hilarious how this thing get a little sideways when you hit that boy. I swear, I tell people, like, it always, when it gets sideways, you gotta like turn it this way. For some reason, my car, the tail end always kick out to the right. So like that jump be, it's like weird. Like that's just how my car likes to kick out. It's like it don't matter how you do it, that's how it kicks out. It just kicks out to the right, and you just gotta counter steer that way every time. But surprisingly, it's hooking up on these little weak street tires we got on here though. I know in a dig, it's I don't even want to do the 0 to 60s now after doing the little 40s on this. But we gonna see what the 60s for sure should hook up. Boy, I'm so scared to take this GoPro on the freeway. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Cause I swear to God, if this GoPro fly off, I'm not turning around to get it. I am not turning around to get this GoPro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. .6. Oh, that sucks, cause I can't get on it. It's gonna spin. It's like whenever I get on it, it spins. Pretty sure for a good 60, we need to be in like 3rd gear, cause the 40 is for like the 2nd gear. Into traffic. Dang, I wasn't gonna think. I didn't think the traffic was that bad on the freeway. When we go on this downhill, I'm gonna let it decel a little bit and we gonna hit that 60. That 60 getting nasty too, but this car didn't got in front of me. It wasn't supposed to be in front of me. I keep on saying cars not supposed to be in front of me, like we not on the freeway, like everybody not supposed to be on the freeway. All right, get out this lane. Jeez, I just want to get one good stretch, man. Wait till the road gets straight, but dog, move. Thank you. So as soon as we get out this hill and hit that straight, I did it again. I done passed my exit. Well, the GoPro died. I'm gonna just turn it on real quick so I could show you all the last 0 to 60. GoPro right here that I just recorded on, it just overheated, so it kept on dying. I got the first one on there. As you can see from the first initial pull, it was like, them tires, I'm gonna show you all the tires that's actually on the car. They terrible. But they were free, so I ain't tripping. So, don't ever get these tires. But they free, take them. They Delonte DH2s. They 295s. But like, it don't matter. Like, they not sticky for real. They do good, like above 30 miles per hour. As y'all seen in the video, they still spin doing the 40 rolls. So I was just sharing that with y'all. So peace out.
Back, motherfucker, with me. I remember I ain't had bus fare. Nah, line your ass up and I don't care. Boy, if it's up there, it's stuck there. Chicken George in the kitchen, I'm whipping up. In the trenches, fighting with chickens, I get my scraps on. Stepping in, sliding like dress shoes and slacks. Cheddar half crack zone, clientele trap phone. Nigga super sweet and I'm fixing to get my snack on. Okay, why these boy play chess, just play Monopoly. Had me up a jacket and invested in me some property. Last time I checked, one